hilarious. I'm so funny. I'm so funny. How long are you going to allow stuck energy to keep you from where you want to go? How long are you going to allow yourself to be stuck in energy? Anyways, hello, internet friend. Can I tell you something? First, can we just applaud the earth for this beautiful rain that was very cleansing? I literally said that, and I'm acting like as if this is something that has just been today. I know I'm. Hold on, I'll catch you up on everything. So I've been talking about purging. I've been talking about cleansing. I've been talking about minimalism. And then this rain came through that like shook the whole, just everything. And before the rain like started to fall, I was feeling very like now after the rain has fallen, I'm just like, yeah. Okay, here's what's going on. Here's what's happening. Omara is purging and cleansing. I'm gonna a moment ago, I was about to purge and cleanse the wrong things. I was like, I'm about to get rid of my business. I'm about to get rid of my ideas. We're going to start from scratch. That's not what needed to go. What needed to go was the energy. The rain has cleared my mind. And no, I'm not getting rid of ethereal radiance. No, I'm not scrapping my ideas, my beautiful, amazing ideas. But I am scrapping the energy behind which I approached my lovely creations. I'm so grateful for the rain that just came through, that cleansed the land. Everything's okay. Everything's okay.